What's up, guys? It's PJ.
And Blake.
And together we created Arrow Eden, an American leather company. And today Blake is going to be talking about our flagship product, the Lolly Loop. But before you go any further, don't forget to like and subscribe.
So we created the Lolly Loop because our daughter Arrow had a couple of pacifier clips and we were finding that the clips were really flimsy and she was able to just yank them right off and throw her toys on the floor. So we designed this with 2 loops. So all you have to do is put the first loop through your pacifier or toy, and then you attach the other loop to their clothing or things that are close to them. And then we also have our super long Lolly Loop that you can attach to their stroller or their car seat or things that are a bit further away. And to top it all off, we have our matching mommy and me sets. So you get a Lolly Loop for the baby and you get a matching wallet for mom.
Thank you guys for watching. We hope that was really helpful. If you have any questions, shoot us a DM. To check out the rest of our American-made leather goods, check out our website, arroweden.com. More products coming soon.